That's correct, but that's not enough. Please sit down. Any others? Yes, Prayas?
There are actual tense. What are you?
Sit down. Yes, please.
What could you say about tense and its structure?
I have one video about tense, so let's see. So, once upon a time, there was a village called Ramna village. In the village, the villagers want to speak in English, but they don't know how to use the form of tense. So two foreigners came and taught them tenses about tenses.
Hi guys, what's up? It's me Julie and it's me Tony. We came from Australia. So we heard that you don't know English and you don't know proper grammar. So we are here to clear the concept of tenses. I would like to call it simple past.
Hello readers, myself simple past. I am used to describe the past. My structure is subject plus verb to plus object. Like he ate an apple yesterday. Thank you.
Thank you, simple past. So I would like to call past perfect here.
Hi, my name is past perfect and my structure is subject plus had plus verb plus object. And my example is she had started the program. Thank you.
Thank you, past perfect. Now I would like to call past continuous over here. Hello villagers, me myself past continuous and my structure is subject plus was been plus verb plus object and my example is I was writing on letter. Thank you. Thank you, past continuous. So I would like to call past perfect continuous over here.
Hello, myself past perfect continuous. My structure is subject plus had been plus before plus object. For example, he had been writing on return.
Thank you, past perfect continuous. We have completed past tense. Now let's move to present tense. So at first I would like to call simple present over here.
Hello everyone, we myself simple present. My structure is subject plus verb slash verb plus object. My example is he writes a letter.
Thank you, present tense. Now I would like to call present perfect here.
Hi, let me introduce myself. Myself, present perfect. My structure is subject plus has or have plus verb to plus object. For example, my example is she has written a letter. They have written a letter. Thank you.
Thank you, present perfect. Now I would like to call present continuous over here.
Hello, myself present continuous. My structure is subject plus is am are plus verb plus object. For example, she is writing a letter.
Thank you, present continuous. So I would like to call present perfect continuous over here.
Hello everyone, it's me, present perfect continuous. My structure is subject plus has been or have been plus before plus object. For example, he has been writing a letter.
Thank you, present perfect continuous. We have finished present tense. Now let's move to future tense. So I would like to call simple future here. Hello villagers, it's me simple future and my structure is the subject plus shall or will Bhagwan plus object and one example is I shall come to school tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, simple future. Now I would like to call future perfect here.
Hello everyone, it's me, future perfect. My structure is subject plus shall have or will have plus verb to plus object. For example, he will have written a letter. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, future perfect. Now I would like to call future continuous here.
Hello villagers, it's me, future continuous and my structure is subject plus shall be plus or will be plus verb plus object. My example is we shall be playing basketball today. Thank you.
Now we have complete need of future continuous, I would like to call future perfect continuous here.
Hello villagers, me myself future perfect continuous. My structure is subject plus shall have been or will have been plus buffer plus object. My example is she will have been writing a letter. Thank you. Thank you future perfect continuous. Now we have finished all the tenses.
Did you guys understand the tenses and their structures?
Yes, we have understood before better than before. Thank you. Thank you for coming to our village and teaching us this.
Thank you. It's our pleasure.
It's our pleasure.
Bye bye guys. Have a good day. Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Meet you too. Bye.
Did you enjoy watching this video?
Yes.
Did you learn about tense and its structure?
Yes.
We learned about tense and its structure.
Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you, class.